guys, it's Manaya and welcome to the Manaya Show. If you don't know who I am, once again, my name is Manaya, and on my channel I post lifestyle, fitness, and beauty content and much more. But today I will be trying out / reviewing magnetic eyelashes. As you can see here, I got these eyelashes from Amazon and they are from the EASBEAUTY brand. I'm kind of late on the whole magnetic eyelash trend, but I thought these were like super cool. I don't wear makeup or eyelashes or any type of eye makeup. I might wear like gloss, but like I've never tried on eyelashes, or I did it like once for like a costume, normal, like the stick-on ones for like a costume, but I've never used these before, so I'm pretty excited to use them. And this pack comes with 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes. And basically, if you don't know what a magnetic lash is, it's basically an eyelash with a little itty bitty magnets on the eyelash that needs to be applied by using the magnetic eyeliner fluid. And all you do is let it dry, stick it on, and boom, that's how it's supposed to go. But we're gonna find out because I've never used it before. I've always heard about it, so I'm pretty excited to see how this is gonna turn out. So basically this has simple instructions, but I'm just gonna say what it says here. The usage method, it says number 1, for best results, shake the eyeliner for 10 to 20 times. Number 2, apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids and wait for a minute to completely dry out. And number 3, for better effect, absorb the magnetic eyelashes into the eyeliner with tweezer or hand to complete the wear. Okay, and it says notes. Magnetic eyelashes can only be worn once the eyeliner is completely dry. So basically the main thing is just letting it dry. So let's get started. And these were only $20. I know like the main like eyelash brands can run up to like $60-70 for like eyelashes, but this is good to like try out for the first time. So, ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Look at these, guys. Oh my gosh, look at all that. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared to put these on. I've never like put on eyelashes myself, but look at this. The tweezer, the eyeliner fluid, and the pretty lashes. Look at those pretty lashes. I don't know what pair I want to try on. Let's start with, you know what? I'm going to just go with the 3rd row. Okay, so it says to shake this 10 to 20 times. It didn't say to do all that, but still, okay. Okay, like I said, bear with me. I've never put on eyeliner before. Let's see how this goes. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, okay. Never put on eyeliner before. But okay, let's do this. Did I just give myself a winged? I didn't even do this on purpose. I didn't ask for a winged eyeliner look, but let me wipe that off. Just kind of like just whip that off. As you can see, I'm going on there. I got some very hooded eyes, but it's on there. You can see, not the best, but you know, for someone who doesn't wear like eyeliner, I did pretty good. Like you can't even lie. Okay, 2nd eye. Let's do this. Let me put more. Nothing wet on that. I put it too high on this eye, but hold up. I put it as close to my lash line as I can. I think I did okay. Like, don't call me out. Don't give me a thumbs down because I don't know how to put on eyeliner. This is my first time. So okay, so Let's wait for it to dry. And I'm just gonna let you guys look at the lashes one more time so you can see everything it comes with. This is like the thickest lash, you know, it goes from thin all the way to thick. I'm going to use the third one because I don't want to go super thick, I don't want to go super thin, but I think the third one is calling my name. So there you have it. And I'm not gonna use the tweezer because, well, you know what, should I use the whole kit? I just want to use my hand. Oh my gosh, it's really magnetic. Like, guys, look. Wait. Hold up, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That thing just snapped right back on. This is some real magnets. I'm gonna go close for you guys to see. Oh my god. Wait, oh my god, I can't do this. Hold up, guys. I'm not feeling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this second eye. It's sticking on like really good though, not gonna lie. I put it too high. Hold up, guys. Wait, hold up. I think I did something. Oh, wait. Put it a little bit lower. Wait a minute. Mr. Postman. Oh, yeah, Mr. Okay. Oh, wait. Guys, I was not feeling the lashes, so I had to take them off again, wipe off the eyeliner, and I did them again because I was not feeling it. No, but like, you'll see. Okay, so this is the lash on one eye, you can see. No, it looks cute. And this is, you know, my naked normal eyelash. This is with the lash. Oh my gosh, like, it's really good. You just have to really make sure that the eyeliner really dries because it was sticking up, but it's because I didn't put enough eyeliner on like the ends. But okay, now I'm gonna do it on the next eye. Okay, now I'm gonna put eyeliner on my next eye. I just put a little bit more. Okay, a little bit got on my lash, so I'm gonna wipe that off, but I'm gonna wait for it to dry. effortless. Like that one literally just went. Just fix it a little bit. I put too much eyeliner, but you guys see that? The only thing I did is I put too much eyeliner on the top. You see that? Yeah, I put too much, but very nice. For someone who's like not good with like putting on makeup, I just put eyeliner for the first time on today. So for someone who's like not good with makeup but like wants to, you know, spice up, if we hop in the bins, is that okay? Do you mind if, like, for someone who's like not good at putting on makeup, who wants to like spice up the look with something super easy, like all you need is the eyeliner, the lashes. I didn't even use the tweezer because I'd rather just use my hands. I don't need tools. I just like to use my hands. Like, it was fairly simple, very easy. I just kind of messed up the first time because the eyeliner wasn't fully dry and I didn't put enough. So I did it a second time and it's perfect. It is like easy. Like once I get the hang of it, like become a professional, I will be wearing these a lot more. But yeah, it was very easy. Like it really just clips on there. And when I took it off to redo it, it didn't take off any of my eyelashes. It just came off, and it's kind of easy to wipe off because I did redo it. So, you know, for the makeup lover to the makeup like non-expert, like very beginner like me, this is it's perfect and it's pretty. What'd you say? Ooh. I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah, guys, I'm loving it. So there we go, there you have it. So the magnetic eyelashes are definitely a thumbs up. I would buy more once I become more used to them. I'm gonna keep applying them, see like how to do it like the perfect method, but it's so easy. Put the eyeliner on, stick the eyelash, what more could you want? Boom, boom, bada boom. Okay, but that's all. Thanks for watching. I love the lashes. You should go, if you want to buy some, definitely go ahead. As I said, super easy. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the rest of my videos. Bye.